know that the market tells you where it's going every single day, with each candle being printed, and you don't see it. That's why your stop losses keep getting haunted. This is the stupid daily candle pattern the banks don't want you to see. Watch this video to the end. I'm Victor Snow from Trading from the Soul, where smart money is simplified. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. I use this strategy every single day. This is a simple trade I just took recently with it, and can you see how it moved to my desired take profit level, guys? If you guys have noticed something, each daily candle has what? A common characteristics. It has what? At opening, a low, the high, and what? The closing. This is simply the way the banks move price every single day. If I challenge you, go to your chart and see whether you don't see all these things. And the funny thing is, we also have this thing now, this candle here, happening at the lower time frame as price action me and you can trade from. And you see that if you can be able to monitor closely and find where the low of the day will be, we can actually enter from here, top loss below this level, and target to candles high every single day, since we know that a low must be formed and what? A high must be formed. This means we can be able to win every single day. Very scenario of this is what? Price action what opens from the lower time frame, it ranges for a while, finally what manipulates to find what the high of the day, which will can be our entry, stop loss above here, and we target to the downside for our low of the day. So guys, the tricky question here is what? How can we know exactly where this high of the day will be formed? We use two rules. It must be above the PCC for a bearish candle, and it must be below the PCC for a bullish candle. The PCC, which means what? Previous candle closes. This is what all bearish days, and this is the PCC. This candle opened here and closed here. So guys, we'll start looking for our trading opportunities above this this PCC to sell to the downside. So it will look something like this: price action climb here and sell to the downside. Look at this example 2 here. This is our previous daily candle, a bearish candle, guys. This is the lowest it got to, the highest it got to before it was created. This is our previous candle close. When price action opened the next day and pushed above the PCC, price was delivered to the downside. For this third example, this is our previous daily candle, this is the low and the high, and this is our previous candle close. When price action moved above this previous candle close, we sold rapidly to the downside, guys. If you find it difficult to understand this, I want you to watch the one stupid candle that holds the secret to my breakthrough. So for this number 4 example, we having couples of what? Bearish candle, guys. Before we had this bullish one, the candle low, the candle high, and the previous candle close. Can you see when we moved below it, we pushed price to the upside? And for this 5th example, we can see our previous candle close of this one stupid candle. Can you see when we came below it, we pushed price to these highs in the market? Again, if you can check, you will notice that from this previous candle close to this low is actually very large. In fact, in the lower time frame, it is even much bigger. This space you are seeing here. So the question here is, how do we know exactly the points it will reverse from this PCC? We use what? The Fibonacci levels, the 50% level, and 61.8 to 75% level, guys. So when you draw your Fibonacci from this low to this high, this is what it will look like. So guys, in the PCC here, we want to start looking for our entry from what? Below this 50% level, guys. Between this 61.8% to 78.6% is what? My A+ setup, guys. Watch my ICT A+ checklist to understand more about the ICT A+ setups. Let's take some example, guys. So this is the low and high of this bearish candle, guys. If you mark your field from this high to this low, you can see our golden zone here. And can you see when price action retraces to exactly this midpoint, it delivered price to down. Same with this one right here, fib from this high to this low, our golden zone. When price action got retraced from here to the midpoint of this golden zone, it moved up a little before dropping to these lows, guys. So when I teach Fibonacci tool to my students, I make them understand it this way, that let them visualize that each levels of the Fibonacci tools serve as major supply and demand zone price could reverse from. This is daily time frame of AUD USD, guys. Can you see our bearish candle, guys? Here mark out the high of it and the lowest it got to, and this is our previous candle close, guys. That means we're going to be looking for our entries above this level. Mark my fib from this high to this low to get my golden zone. So I'm going to make my entry at this midpoint of this golden zone and what stop loss above this level, and our target to this low, and to always give us a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, guys. Is a mechanical strategy, and let's see how the trade unfolds. Boom, that's a full take profit for us. Price action actually opened from here, it retraced to this golden zone, went above it before what coming down to our take profit level. Are you currently using this to trade? Let me know at the comment section, and if you're learning something new from this video, a like and subscribe right now will be nice. So once this occurs, we repeat this the same day. That is, I'll mark out this candles high and the lowest it got to, and I'll get my golden zone entry here, stop loss above here, and can you see price action retrace to this 25% level before going to the downside. So we should always wait for this golden zone because it gives us our A+ setups in the market, guys. I will repeat this the next day, guys. Can you see what this bullish candle was formed here? This is the lowest it got to and the highest it got to before this candle was created, guys. So I'll mark out my fib from this low to the high to get my golden zone, guys. Make my entry from the midpoint of the golden zone, stop loss below here to target what these highs, to always give you a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, guys. And let's see how the trade unfolds. Can you see price action came back and entered, moved to my desired take profit level, guys. Watch the one candle that holds the secret to my trading breakthrough to understand this concept more, guys. What you do is what you keep repeating these steps. Is easy. This is our candle, the lowest it got to and the highest it got to, and I'll mark my fib to get my golden zone, make my entry here and my stop loss below this level, and I'll target these highs 1:2 risk to reward ratio, guys. Let's take more example. Another pair, Eurusd-Gbpusd. This is what a bearish candle. This is the lowest it got to, this is the highest it got to, guys, and I'll mark my fib from the high to the low to get what my golden zone. Start from the midpoint of it, stop loss above these highs, and I target these lows. Again, a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Can you see how price action retraced here, moved up a little bit before delivering price to what, to these lows. So we just keep repeating this each day. Again, this candle, the lowest, the highest it got to, and I'll get my golden zone entry here, stop loss above here, target this low for a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and let's see how the trade unfolds. Boom, price action came retrace and what, a full take profit for us, guys. Again, we repeat this, continue repeating this every day. I want to know whether you use this in your strategy because the win rate of this is very high. Again, this bullish candle, mark the low, mark the high, gets my what golden zone, make my entries, and what I will gonna target this high. I want this to 2 risk to reward ratio, and let's see how it unfolds, guys. Can you see price action came down here, tapped, entered exactly this point, and what moved to my desired take profit level, guys. If this video helped you improve even a little as a trader, a thumbs up and a subscribe right now will be nice, and always leave a comment on what topic you want me to cover next. It helps us make better videos for you guys. And if you're still struggling with trading, I just launched a 3-day free trading course. Link will be at this video's description. And if you love this video, you love my stupid one candle strategy that makes 10k a month. See you guys right there now.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a